Hello guys, I accidentally messed up my fill up, but I am back again with I want to say thank you for 15 subscribers so much. I think it's so. I want to say thank you for so much. I want to say I really thank you for what you done for my community, my subscribers. This is my 15 million special to say thank you for all my pleasure for getting 15 subscribers on me, and I want to say thank you so much. And I really thank you guys for giving me 15 subscribers. I really thank you. I actually thank you guys for what you done for my life. I'm gonna collect these a full-blown sky. I messed up. Guys, I'm sorry if I messed up. I'm kinda good at the game, only a little bit. I'm not really good at the game. But that's okay. He's still trying to try again. Because I say never give up because of Fortnite. I really enjoying this video right now, and I hope you enjoy it for 15 subscriber video right now. I really like to my debut. I'm happy I got 15 subscribers. I'm so happy on this channel I got 15 subscribers. If we get 20 subscribers, 20 I think I just want to. I'm gonna try to get a win. I don't know if I can, but I'll try. I'm just trying to do solos. I may jump in arena later for my video. I don't know yet. Let's go Holly. I feel like I can get lucky there. Get a few kills. I really thank you guys for 15 subscribers. I'm just hoping I can do more videos very soon. I might jump in a creative field later and see how good I am. If I'm good, you can kind of call me good. I've been playing Toad Trap 2 Season 1, and I'm kind of good at the game. I'll be happy if I get a lot of viewers on a video, or people comment the video. I'm about to destroy this bot. Easy clap. First kill of the stream. I'll take that tap. What? The only thing I want is charge shotgun. Nope, that would happen. I'm gonna call this thank for 15 subs. I've won. I hope you all watch this. may stop it at 10 when it hits 10. Why am I running into bear skins all the time? Seeing foreskin. I know I'm getting quiet. Is that a bot? I don't think it's a bot. That was a good snipe. The best snipe in the video, maybe. I had a dance on him. Where are the people? I think we can get them. So many more artists. I'm be talking about the new live event going on if you're wondering what this going on. Apple and Fortnite just got hate each other now, and they're not on the App Store. And I feel like we should fix it, like Fortnite's saying, free Fortnite. We should get thanks Fortnite for everything. Shout out for you. I think we should just talk about what's been going on right now. Everything going on in 2020. And I'm pretty sad. But I'm still getting through it. And I'm also going to be talking about the leaks today. Maybe tomorrow. Might do a video tomorrow. If I'm not busy. I'm just saying I could be doing a video tomorrow. Like like everyone hears about the links, I don't know about me. No roller coaster scene coming out very soon. Any scene came out before we ever knew. I'm just going, you know what, I'll take that for purpose. I'm just happy. I'm gonna try and win this game. I hope I am. Like, I don't have a few subscribers, and I would be happy if I get 1,000. I really need support, Critical. If no one shares this, I could get to 1,000 very soon. Can you, if you guys, I would be happy if you do share this with everyone. I'll be so happy. Get 1,000. When I get 1,000, I'm going to celebrate by doing a 1,000 video. I'm doing a giveaway. 1,000. I think we could. And I hear a car in the background, and I think we could shoot it. Oh, I see it. You know what? I'll take my launch pad. I just took my launch pad. I regret doing that. Oh, we just completed the first planning challenge. I'm starting to release this to YouTube. Oh. to. That was copyrighted music. I hope that I'm gonna edit that out. There's a player. I think we can not get them. I don't know. I had tracked his vehicle. He's kind of mad right now. I'm gonna run and get that big pod. I hear a chest. I think we can. There it is. Where are the people? The player. Where is he? We can play this music. This is not copyrighted music. Oh, I love this one. I also give a big shout out to Firebeast. I like his videos. Big shout out to Firebeast. He's my big friend. He's a big friend of mine. And he helped me. Go and just subscribe to him too. Really. Old waterfall. That's a weird name. Film is about to start, or about to stop. I think I have a 4-kill game. I think I want to save. A no chopper, and then Marijuana lands on it. Did it destroy it? It said Mariner Marauder.